Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given that the biomass of a fish population is the product of the number of individuals n and the average mass m. So we're told that b of t equals n of t, m of t. And we're asked, after all this information, at what rate is the biomass increasing? So we're asking for the derivative of b. And not worrying about the values just yet, just in terms of n and m, we can use the product rule. So we have n times the derivative of m plus m times the derivative of n, right? And this is the product rule where we have one times the derivative of the other plus the other times the derivative of the first. And we're told at what rate is the biomass increasing when t equals 4. So b prime of 4 equals n of 4, m prime of 4 plus m of 4, n prime of 4. Now, we are given all of these values. We just have to figure them out. So n of 4, if n is the population, that is the population when t equals 4. We're told at time t equals 4 weeks, the population is 820 guppies. So mark down 820. M prime of 4 is where m is the mass. This is the rate of change of the mass, which we're told at t equals 4 is 0.14 grams per week. So 0.14 plus m of 4. M is the mass. At t equals 4, that's 1.2, times n prime of 4, that's the rate of change in n, which is the population, which we're told at t equals 4, growing at a rate of 50 guppies per week. So that's 50. So we have 820 times 0.14 plus 1.2 times 50, and if you enter that into your calculator, you get 174.8. And this is going to be in grams per week, right? Because the biomass is the total mass, right? So which is measured in grams. So it's grams, and then it's the rate of change, so it's per week, since that's the unit of measurement of time that we're given in this scenario. So your final answer, 174.8 grams per week. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.